Hello, my name is Sergi, and I will bring a difference now. I will speak about AI, and I will just show you some of the latest trends we have seen, and also for the rest of it, I will speak about how AI can help us in e-commerce or digital world. So directly, I'm a data scientist working over 15 years. I'm one of the founders of Data Science Society and also one of the founders of the company called ShopUp, which is focusing in retail, banking, and e-commerce world. Also something is that I'm one of the mentors of a couple of universities and also a jury of two of the AI congresses. So my idea is just to give you an overview what happened within the AI for the last years. And first I will start with the gaming. For sure, I mean, we are here because of the gaming. Two of the most known humanitarian games, Go and StarCraft, they were beaten by the AI in 2016 and 3 years later the StarCraft. And it was known like a conversion point where the AI becomes to be more humanitarian in such kind of games. And if we go further, the last 2 years, the next area where AI boosts a lot is the natural language processing, where we are giving a couple of words and then it automatically generates text. It can also work in the chatbots where it can answer using the empathy, the emotions and such kind of stuff. The next part is the generation of images. It's known as generative adversarial networks. And you can see a lady who looks like a Brad Pitt and it mimics it. And it is the recent research in IBM Russia. But something probably you are not aware of, which sectors boost this generation, and that's the porno sites, yeah. Because of this, a lot of the progress which was done there was based on the forums in there. Something else is that even if we go deeper into our insides, the DNAs, the DNA of the human, the DNA of every animal, they can be replicated. Also, we have something for the men, for the World Cup. Now there is, for each stadium, there will be between 12 and 20 cameras, which can track and give precise information of where we are, what we are doing, how we are doing, and this kind of players. Then there is a model which can paint. You're saying a couple of words, and it will make you a picture of it. So here it's an example of it's strange horse and astronaut. So here how they look like, they're becoming very, very precise. So imagine for you can ask such kind of dress or such kind of game or such kind of stuff. So there is a model who can do it instead of you, and it works really well. Even if it's a little bit more abstract, if the noise. It can be in the ocean, it can be in the coast, in the space. There are models which are able to recognize which are signals can be used and have some information in it, and which are noise. And something else which I want to show you here is there is another abstract. It's called reinforcement learning, where we can learn the robot. We give them what are the rules for the tennis, for instance. We put them, and we as a kids, we start to punish them if they make something wrong or reward them. And based on that, they start learning. And you can see within 100 trials how it starts playing. The similar technology was used for AlphaGo and AlphaStar. So there are concepts where we are just showing it, and it starts improving by itself. Yeah, this is a good player. This was a kind of my speech, which is I want to give you highlights. The highlights, what was given, what was happening in the AI sector. But let's speak to the retail, to the e-commerce. Something what we find out for the e-commerce, it's a digital world. Part of it, it's a digitalized retail. And also there are different layers. The first layer, what we believe, are the products which are the essence for each online business. And then comes the personalization, the customers, the retention, and all the rest. So about the products, I just want to mention what is the product life cycle. We have a Peter. Normally he's the owner of online store, or he's the buyer. And what that buyer does, he's ordering the products. These products, he's allocating some money. Then this product is delivered to the warehouse. Then come the marketings. We make the sales. And once the sale is made, the money are going back. So, no, you can't see it. So this is very responsible work. I mean, from the decisions which that person takes, it's very important how the business should go. And normally, these are a couple of guys or one or two guys with, who are dealing with a lot of Excels. They are playing, they are masters of Excels in order to solve these questions for over 10,000 of products, like what are their pricing strategy, which products to have available, which products to leave, what are the forecasts for where to focus on new products, or even to combine different products, which then they are giving to the marketers. And this kind of it can be automated, and here we see that the AI can really improve that area, and they can focus on big things, on big areas of where their brand wants to go, what kind of categories they want to be. And in order to do this, it's important to have the data, the right data of it. Because before that, they were using only the sales data, the data which they have from the ERP. Now we combine the site metrics. The site metrics is giving information about the customer, what the customers are doing, what are their patterns, where they go, what is their interest. And then we have the ads platform. Ads platform here can be Google Ads, Facebook Ads, also some of affiliates. So here we are gathering information about your marketing campaigns, where you are pouring your money, what is the income, how they effective are, what are the products, and the ERP. Then we combine that data, merge it into one place, and then finally it's able to answer on different questions related to that business. And what kind of answer AI can give for the e-commerce world? It's like we can forecast. We can make precise forecasting of products. We can help them in order to allocate right amount of money, in order to have minimal warehouse availabilities, to reduce the products which they have a negative trend. We also see a place where the products, how we can mix them, how we can combine them, how we can make bundles. And especially for the new products, imagine that each product have a feature, have a color, have attributes. We can see what kind of products with what kind of attributes they have interest, the people are having interest, and based on that, we can recommend such kind of new products where that buyer needs to go to. Yeah, just architecture, how the architecture normally looks like. It is like we have where the data is gathered, some models, and then once the models are run, here on that part is where they can visualize the results, and we call it human in the loop place, where people are making decisions based on the data, but sooner or later the AI starts to learn what kind of decisions they are making and starts recommending his decisions, and sooner or later it starts to automate it, and it's go directly then to here the down is the order product, automation of ordering the product, then which it secures to the ads platform. And normally with that architecture, I just want to thank you about the presentation and what we do. If you have any questions or something you are interested, or if you want something for the for gaming world, I'm here to talk, because for us digital asset can be e-commerce, can be everything. So thank you.